When a client enters my premises or my workplace for a financial advisory, so I usually first ask his expectations, from the personal financial matters, his basic requirements pertaining to his income and what he wants to achieve. So if a person of my age who has recently joined his work and he wants to start building his wealth, so I'll try to figure out his requirements vis-a-vis his earning, vis-a-vis his responsibilities towards his family or his financial other responsibilities. So I try to really gauge that and then create a task for me point wise. What does he want? Basic, that is a very important thing. What does he want? I try to address that question in my mind and try to gauge that during my conversation with him. What does he expect out of me, out of my advice? So that's very important. For that, I usually recommend to the clients. Accordingly, I recommend clients my strategies, my way of putting things forward according to me, what should be done. Financial advisory is very abstract. Financial advisory is pertaining to different fields like mutual funds, like insurance, like tax planning. So for that, so for these kind of different things are there. So what we do, we pertain only to personal financial advisory and not to corporates, not to institutions. So we cater to retail personal financial advisory. There's a lack of education in personal finance. So we feel we need to educate people regarding handling their personal financial matters, handling their tax planning efforts. So these need to be taught. I really feel insurance is one of the major important subject where people lack education, and it should be. So we have witnessed COVID times, and we are still witnessing. And people have now started realizing that we need protection. We need protection from medical. We need protection from our life. Life being so fragile nowadays, we don't know where we end up the next day. Are we in hospital or are we alive or not? We don't know. So for that, I really try and advise my client, educate my client. Please insure yourself. People have the mindset that, okay, why am I paying premium every year, a few lakh rupees? Why am I paying that? I won't be getting this back. So I usually educate my clients. You need to insure yourself. You're protecting yourself. You're protecting your family. Once you're not there, who will take care of your finances? So I feel that's very important. When I join a day, I usually pen down few of my to-do things in a day. So first is my pending things as of yesterday. My client's records needs to be updated on a daily basis, and his our team communication. What will be the thought process throughout the day? How we have to deal with our clients, and because financial field or financial matters are so dynamic in nature. Every day new things are coming up. So we need, what I try to advise my team, that we need to keep updating ourselves, and accordingly we need to update our clients. So that's another. And then I pen down my calls with my clients. Then I analyze my client's portfolio and accordingly keep updating every day according to the market's direction. So these are the various things.